Hello students, welcome to Short Sir classes. So here we are solving this National Talent Search Examination Stage 2 uh, paper. So the question 5, so in the certain code that is 34, which means project work. Okay, so we have to find the meaning of 4 and 3 in that code. So based on the following statements, that will select the correct option. So here we have given that 173. So this means which is the completed project on time. It is given. Okay, at 640, it means that received an award for the hard work. Okay, so from that we have to decode that out of the following statements which one is true. So from here, if we decode this particular given coding, this 3 and 4 stands for, so it is project work. So from here you can see that 3 is nothing but project and 4 is work, right? So here in this 3 stands for project and 4 is stands for this work. So we have been given this 4 statements. So statement A is given that the data in statement 1 alone are sufficient to answer the question. Statement B, option B is given the data in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. C is given the data in both the statements together are sufficient to answer the question, and the data even in both the statements together are not sufficient to answer the question. So from here you can clearly see either of the option, either of the statement 1, okay, or statement 2. So we can derive the information from either any one of the statement alone, right? So in our case, both the option A and B are seeming to be right, because either of the one information, since it's a short, so we have been given the definition of 3 digits and we have to find 2 digits from here. So either of the one statement we can find the correct answer. So we can go for both these options, A and B. Question number 6. So here it's 3 facts are given. You can see that fact 1, all tortoises like to jump. Fact 2, some tortoises like to fly. Fact 3, some tortoises look like their followers. If the first 3 statements, if the first their statements are facts, which of the following statement must also be a fact? So I have been given 3 the statement over here. The all tortoises who like to fly look like their followers. 2 is tortoises who like to fly also like to jump, and 3 is tortoises who like to jump do not look like their followers. So we have to find which of this following statement is also a fact out of these 3. To solve this type of question, we will follow this draw a Venn diagram, which will be easy to specify these 3 options. This we can explicitly define. So suppose this all tortoises like to jump. So we have this tortoise, okay, or we can do it in a so we have tortoise and all tortoises who like to jump. So tortoise is included in the set of jump. We can also draw a bigger circle, okay, a bigger set, yeah. So all tortoises like to jump, so this is the jump set and tortoise is the subset of this proper subset. Now some tortoises like to fly, so from where we can draw this, some tortoises like to fly, so we have an option over here, and some tortoises look like their followers. Okay, so from here you can see that Some tortoises look like their followers. Now from here you can see this. Now the diagram is quite clear. So all tortoises like to jump. So this is satisfying the fact 1. Some tortoises like to fly, satisfying the fact 2. And some tortoises look like their followers. That is the fact 3. So if these first three statements are facts, so we have to find that all tortoises, let's look at the option 1. So all tortoises who like to fly look like their followers. So that is a wrong option. From the Venn diagram you can just conclude that not the all tortoises who like to fly look like their followers. Tortoises who like to fly also like to jump. So yes, so this portion of this segment you can say, yeah, so this group of the tortoises who like to fly also like to jump. So we have the correct statement is 2. And tortoises who like to jump do not look like their followers. So which is again is not correlated in any of the Venn diagram. You can find this relation. So this is also not true. So we only have the statement 2 is correct. So let's look at the option. So here it will be the option B, which is the correct option. 2 only.